Welcome to our quick guide on transferring USDT from Get.io to Bybit. If you're looking to move your funds securely and efficiently, you have come to the right place. Let's dive in. Step 1. Get your Bybit deposit address. First, you will need to log into your Bybit account. Navigate to the Assets section and select Deposit. Choose USDT as your cryptocurrency. Here, you will find your unique deposit address. Copy this address. You'll need it for the next step. Step 2. Initiate the transfer on Get.io. Next, head over to your Get.io account, go to the Wallet section and select Withdraw. In the withdrawal interface, choose USDT as the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Paste the Bybit deposit address you copied earlier into the designated field. Make sure to double check the address is correct. Sending funds to the wrong address can result in a permanent loss of your assets. Step 3. Confirm and execute. Next, enter the amount of USDT you wish to transfer. Get.io may require you to complete security verification steps such as entering a code sent to your email or phone. After verifying everything, click on Submit or Withdraw. And that is it. Your USDT transfer from Get.io to Bybit should be processed shortly. Remember, blockchain transactions can take some time, so be patient. If you encounter any issues, both exchanges have support teams ready to assist you. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more tech tips and cryptocurrency guides. Thanks for watching.